Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Draw.io template manager to work efficiently with diagrams. This is a fantastic way to save time and create professional-looking diagrams without starting from scratch every time. First, head over to your browser and type in drawio.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a Start button right there on the screen. Go ahead and click it. This action will redirect you to a new tab where the Draw.io editor opens up, ready for you to begin creating and editing your diagrams. Now that you're in the workspace, look toward the top of the screen where you'll find a plus icon. Click on this icon and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Template. This is where the real magic happens, as you'll gain access to Draw.io's extensive template library designed to streamline your diagram creation process. Once you click Template, you'll be presented with several categories to choose from. The Template Manager offers a wide variety of options, including Basics, Business, Charts, Cloud, Engineering, Flowcharts, Maps, Network, Other, Software, Tables, UML, Venn, Wireframes, and Layout. Each category is packed with pre-designed templates tailored to specific diagram types, making it incredibly easy to find exactly what you need for your project. If you already have a specific diagram in mind, you can use the search bar at the top of the template window. Simply type in whatever you're looking for and the template manager will filter the results to match your needs. This feature is especially handy when you're working on something specific and don't want to browse through every category. For this tutorial, let's try using a template from the flowchart category. Click on Flowcharts from the list of categories and you'll see a collection of flowchart templates appear. Browse through the available options until you find one that suits your requirements. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to preview it. Then click the Insert button to add it to your workspace. The template will now appear directly on your canvas, ready for you to customize. This is where you can make the diagram truly your own. You can change the text within each shape to match your specific process or workflow. You can also insert additional shapes, adjust colors to fit your branding, resize elements, and rearrange the layout as needed. The template serves as a solid foundation, but you have complete freedom to modify it however you see fit. And that's it. You've successfully used the Draw.io template manager to quickly create and customize a professional diagram. This approach saves you valuable time and ensures your diagrams look polished and well-structured from the start. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.